Yes, students, today we start about the indicators. Indicators are the substances which give different colors in acid and base. Usually small samples of two types of indicator find out if the following are acidic or basic or neutral. For example, in H2SO4, universal indicator gives red color and litmus also red. It is acid. Water is green color universal indicator. Litmus red and blue both. It is neutral. HCl red color, HNO3 nitric acid red color and acid. NaOH and ammonium hydroxide blue color, and these are base. An indicator change the color with changes in pH. An indicator methyl orange, methyl red goes from red to low pH. Goes to low pH to range, and phenolphthalein goes from colorless to pink, and bromothiamyl blue from low pH to high pH. Bromomethyl blue from low pH to high pH. These are the indicators shown here. Then acidic before neutralization, neutral endpoint. These are the chemical reaction if we do in the lab are shown here. Neutral endpoint. This is the from slight pink to colorless. Acidic before neutralization, and overshoot endpoint is pink. Overshoot endpoint is acid base titration is one commonly used method for analysis. But is acid base titration? Commonly used method of analysis. When a titration is done, acid is put into the flask using a pipette. Pipette is the instrument which is used to measure the amount. Plus few drops of indicator, then base added from a biurate. Base added from a biurate until an acid acted equivalent point. Point at which all acid reacted is shown by a color change. End point. कलर चेंज होता है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? एंड पॉइंट इन द इंडिकेटर. वॉल्यूम ऑफ बेस रिक्वायर्ड इन टाइट्रेशन एसिड टू बी डिटरमाइंड. सो नेक्स्ट, pH in human digestive system. This is the topic next. After that, results hibiscus, methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Methyl orange and phenolphthalein pH range. Why hibiscus can as the indicator for different pH? It contains anthocyanin pigment. It contains anthocyanin pigment, pink, red, purple, violet, and blue. Dye extracted change its color, hydrogen ion concentration of the solution. Why other substances used can only detect the pH of alkali? Equivalence point obtained coincident the one by standard indicator. Flower extract used of mixed indicator. Any difference between efficiency of hibiscus and phenolphthalein? About the hibiscus indicator, different pH value of the testing solution, different colors in the solution, sharp color change, easy to detect the endpoint. Phenolphthalein cannot show the pH value, acidic colorless, alkaline pink, gradual color change, uneasy to find endpoint. Uneasy to find endpoint. Then digestion and pH. As you know, digestion process by which food are broken down into simpler substances. Mechanical digestion, physical process in which food is torn apart. Chemical digestion, chemical reaction in which the large molecules are broken down into smaller molecules. Stomach and small intestine. Mouth pH is around 7. Mouth pH is around 7. Saliva contains amylase and enzyme which begins to break carbohydrate into stomach. Stomach pH is around 2. Mouth pH is around 7 and stomach pH is around 2. Proteins are broken down into amino acid by enzyme pepsin. Small intestine pH around 8. These are the pH of human digestive system. Mouth pH 7, stomach pH 2, small intestine pH around 8. Most digestion and small molecules move to bloodstream toward the cells that use them. That is about the digestion in, that is about the pH in human digestive system. Then pH in our digestive system, our stomach produces hydrochloric acid. This dilute hydrochloric acid help in digestion of our food. without harming the stomach. Sometimes excess of acid is produced due to various reasons. The excess acid in stomach causes indigestion, which produces pain and irritation. In order to cure indigestion and get rid of pain, we can take bases called antacids. Means antacids are a group of mild bases which have no toxic effect on the body, being basic in nature. Antacid react with excess acid in the stomach and neutralizes it. This gives the relief. This gives relieves